Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the first week of the new semester. And an intro video where I just go over some of the tools we're going to use and make sure that we are using the same vocabulary so that I can help you and you can work with me as well as possible. Let's jump right in. Okay, we are fully online for the first time ever. Succeeding together is going to be something that we can only do with kind of a positive, playful spirit. This is one obstacle, one of many we're going to face, and doing it together, we will become even stronger. My goal for this week with us is that, one, we dust the math off of our brains and get back into work mode, and that we have time to explore our online platforms so that they're a tool and not an obstacle to our learning. Broad overview first. This is roughly what the weeks will look like this semester. You're going to have live class as early as 10 a.m., maybe a little bit later. Your teacher will tell you what time because they teach more than one class on Mondays and Tuesdays. Also Mondays and Tuesdays, your teachers will make sure that your assignments are up and ready for you to try out. On Wednesdays and Thursdays, your teachers may do office hours, small instructional groups, another live lesson. They'll let you know. You'll join them again. And then Fridays, kind of a work day for everyone involved. And then we do it all again the next week. How are you going to get to all these tools, these live lessons, your assignments, etc.? Before I even jump into the details, make sure that these two terms, browser and app, are familiar to you. The reason is because the way you get to our online tools will be either through the app for the tool, like the IXL app, the Google Classroom app, the Zoom app, or it will be through a browser where you open the browsing app. So it might be Google Chrome, it might be Internet Explorer, it might be Safari. You open that app, which is a browser, and then you go to www.whateverthewebsite.com. That second way, the app you're using is always the same. It's always the browser app, and then you're going to different websites inside of it. Versus if you use an app because you downloaded the app, you're going straight to it. You're not browsing through the internet at all. The same content will show up, maybe a different format, either way. But the big thing is if you're using the app, you've gone to either the App Store, the Play Store, you've chosen to download and install one or some or all of the applications, and they're right there available as apps you can push on your phone's home screen or as you swipe through. If you're not using the app, you will open your browser and then go to the website. You can bookmark the website, but you won't have a link, an icon right there on your device home screen that you can click to take you straight to it. Both ways are fine. You're going to have a great learning experience either way, but especially when we're working together, it will be really helpful if you get stuck for me to know, oh, they're using the app or they're using the browser. Especially because the menus and how you troubleshoot is different depending on which one you're using. Here are the apps, the programs, app or browser. Here are the programs, the tools we will be using. A lot of Google tools. The main one is Google Classroom. That's where your assignments will be, that's where your grades will be, that's where your classmates will be. Within Google, there's a couple of other tools we'll be using as well. Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. All of those are accessible through the browser or you can download. Each one has an app. We're also going to use Zoom. Zoom is a video conferencing platform, and it allows us to do live classes. So you can see me and I can see you and we can talk in real time along with your classmates. And then the last one is called Flipgrid. That's one that I'm just using. I don't know if other teachers are using it, but we'll try it out. And it's a way to video record, but to post it just for our class. It's totally private. So we can have some discussions and I can hear your thinking, which I really miss. What's next? I'm going to send you a link or a code and or a link so you can join the classroom. And you need to know ahead of time, are you going to use the app to join my class? Because if you are, go ahead and download it if you haven't. And if you are going to use the browser, then you just wait and you know that you'll go to the website for Google Classroom, put it in, and you'll be part of my class and you can see all the great resources. Do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, comments, concerns, but I believe that we can do it. Yes, we can. And there's me hard at work with my cat, making sure, fingers crossed, everything is what it needs to be for us to have a great semester, and I know it will be. See you soon. Bye-bye.